So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows first using the Benefit Cut Brow number 4 and doing my normal eyebrow routine. Now going into the soft Glam palette from Anastasia, I'm going to take the color Rustic and put that all over my lid, passing the crease and blend it out with the brush.
The new sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere.
And I also take this color on the lower lash line. For today's look, I want the focus to be on the lips, so that's why I'm only using one eyeshadow.
Examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara in Waterproof, and this is a pretty good volumizing mascara. It's a little bit more on the wetter formula than I would prefer, but it's not bad, but I don't think I'll repurchase it. Now going into Hoola by Benefit, I'm going to use this to bronze up my face and contour, starting off with my cheekbones and then my jawline, forehead, and also my nose. Now I'm going into Clump Crusher by Covergirl, and I'm going to use this to lengthen my lashes. And here I'm just wiping off the lip balm that I applied earlier. And for the first lipstick, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Megalast lipstick in Sandstorm as a base. Now taking the Buxom Plumpline lip liner in Covert Affair, I'm going to put this on the center of my lips and blend it out using the brush that came with it. This is a really nice warm red tone, and I think this is really good for the fall and winter time. It is also a matte formula, but it doesn't dry out your lips and it's very comfortable. And that completes the look.